Want to manage multiple TikTok accounts safely and efficiently? Here's how to do it with GeeLark. Download and install from the official website. To keep each TikTok account isolated, add a proxy for every profile. Go to Proxies and click Add Proxy. Run a proxy test to make sure everything works properly. Now create your cloud phone profiles. Click New Profile. Use Auto-Match to sync the phone region with the proxy location. This helps keep your accounts more consistent and secure. Need multiple accounts fast? Use Quick Create to generate multiple cloud phones at once. We recommend enabling Randomly Select so different phones use different proxies. Click OK, and your cloud phones will be ready in seconds. Now open each cloud phone, install TikTok, and register new accounts with different emails or phone numbers. Want to manage multiple accounts at the same time? Use Synchronizer. Actions from the master phone are automatically repeated across other profiles. Perfect for likes, follows, comments, and more. And that's it. With GeeLark, managing multiple TikTok accounts is faster, safer, and easier. Subscribe for more GeeLark tutorials and updates.